Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Linux Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up 301 redirect. So 301 redirect are used for, especially used for whenever you are migrating your website or you just want to change the URL without losing the traffic or ranking. So all you have to do is go to your Webflow dashboard, click on these three dots, select settings, and then publishing, scroll down, and there it is, the 301 redirect section. And here you just put your old path and the new path. So we are going to take an example. So let's say you just want to put schedule a call. So this was the previous URL and you want to change it to same thing but with dash, so it's more clear to the user. Schedule a call. You don't have to put the entire URL. You just put after the slash and you just add redirected path, and that is it. Now the URL, now the 301 redirect is set. So it's that simple. I hope this helped. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.